Hello everyone, welcome to our ship's main engine. This vlog is about the preparation and procedure prior to starting the engine. But first, I will introduce our main engine. The maker is MAN B&W. It has an 11 cylinder with a maximum continuous rating of 48,900 kilowatt at 76 RPM. So just watch and observe as I will discuss to you the step-by-step procedure in preparation prior to starting the engine. Normally, it takes about 30 to 45 minutes preparation prior to put the engine into standby condition. In port departure, the bridge will notify the engine personnel. That is called the 1 hour notice, enough for preparation of the main engine. As the lube oil pump is started and the lubrication is established, we will now start the main engine HPA startup pump locally. Then we will observe the ampere. Only one startup pump will pressurize the system. Then we will start the turning gear, either ahead or astern, for 30 minutes. On the engine control room, MOP or main operating panel, initiate pre-lubrication or just push the pre-lube on the touchscreen button. An engine personnel will report and observe the current of the turning gear. And also, we will carry out a manual draining of our air tanks to remove excess moisture from our air lines. As the turning gear is running, we observe all the parameters displayed on the engine control room, as the main engine is carrying out a pre-lubrication prior to starting. The engineer also records it according to the checklist procedure. An additional diesel generator will be started in order to compensate an extra load during maneuvering, in which extra power will be utilized by using bow thrusters and mooring winches. After 30 minutes of turning, now we can stop the turning gear and disengage. Next is we manually stop the HPS pump and put the changeover switch into remote mode. Then we close the starting air drain line valve. Next is we slowly open the service main air reservoir. Next is we put the starting air valve and the distributor valve into service position. Engine control room display panel, we press the try engine button. Now auxiliary blower will be started one by one. As the auxiliary blower is started, an engine personnel is standby at the local side to monitor the current and the present condition of the motor. The engine control room, main operating panel, as you can see, main engine is now ready for starting. Upon confirming that the auxiliary blower is normal, now we are ready for air blow. Engine personnel is at the main engine local side, standby, ready for air blow. Upon bridge confirmation, air blow will be carried out accordingly. Air blow is being carried out by putting the telegraph into its low position. Air blow is now finished. Telegraph is in the stop position. After air blow, now we are closing the indicator cocks of each cylinders. That is the indicator cock that we're going to close individually on each cylinder. Then we have to close also its turbocharger drain valves. Then after bridge confirmation, we will now carry out try engine. Engine control room, try engine at dead slow ahead first. Stop engine. Next is dead slow astern.
Dead slow astern.
After a successful try engine, we can notify now the bridge for the turnover of control.
We lost control, sir.
After putting the telegraph to the full, we're now ready for the wheelhouse control try engine.
Wheelhouse engine. Let's go ahead. Stop engine. Dead slow stern.
If everything is in good condition, now we will inform bridge that our main engine is ready for standby.
Standby engine, sir.
As main engine is now on standby, anytime it will start as per bridge command, and at the same time checklist is filled as per record keeping. initial start of the main engine, constant monitoring of the parameters including the local side or any abnormal condition. Fast maneuvering includes frequent stopping and starting of the main engine, constant monitoring and round checks for any abnormal condition must be carried out. Checking every cylinder for any abnormal sound, any leakages on each cylinder, fuel lines, lubricating oil lines. Each condition must be reported from time to time until the ship is in a run-up condition, having a constant RPM and a proper engine parameters. Check the local gauges if it is in its proper range. The engine control room, all parameters also must be monitored from time to time until the main engine is in a run-up condition, as some adjustments must be made prior changing speeds and increasing RPM from time to time. And that is our procedure for preparation and starting the main engine. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.